Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. This will be chapter 3 of the April monthly with symbol supports. So the right attitude for the job. Keisha gets an interview for the job. She takes a shower and looks nice. Keisha goes to the interview. She answers questions. So you always want to look nice when you go somewhere because first impressions are important. Keisha gets the job. She wears a uniform. Keisha will start work on Monday. She will get a paycheck because you remember in the previous chapter, her ultimate goal was to get an apartment. Keisha will help the residents. She will deliver mail and flowers. She will visit the residents. So Keisha starts her new job. She clocks in with a computer. Keisha meets her job coach. The job coach will help her learn what to do. Keisha will get her schedule. So it's important that when you clock in and clock out, or when you're at a job, you clock in and clock out. Because if you don't clock in or out, you won't get paid. So, and one of the things she liked from the previous chapter is that the nursing home had a schedule for her. So she always knew what to do. Keisha is busy. She helps lots of people. Mr. Jones is happy with Keisha. Keisha has a good attitude. She enjoyed her first day. So Mr. Jones was happy with Keisha because she was helpful, friendly, and had a good attitude during the workday. We talk a lot about that in class. So Keisha goes to work on Wednesday. She clocks in. She has to do new things today. Keisha must help a resident with his dog. She is worried about working with the dog. So in the previous chapter, she didn't want to work with animals. So this is probably something she's not quite comfortable with. Keisha talks to Mr. Jones about her problem. He tells her, it's okay. There will be people to help her. Keisha has to do a job she doesn't like. Keisha plays with the dog. Keisha liked playing with the dog. She is glad she did it. Mr. Jones is glad Keisha came to him. Keisha has a good attitude at her job. Okay, so that was the end of chapter 3. Go ahead and think about ways that you guys could have a good attitude when working at home with computers and schoolwork. I know it's difficult. Feel free to reach out if y'all need any help. Have a good day.